In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter API with Google Meet. If you want clear, shareable notes from your online meetings, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to connect Otter's live transcription to a Google Meet in just a few clicks. First, open your Google Meet and go to the meeting you want to transcribe. You can start a new meeting or join one that's already scheduled. Make sure your audio is working well, and if possible, use a headset for clearer speech. Good audio quality helps Otter produce more accurate transcripts. Next, share the meeting link with the people you want in the meeting. You'll find the link inside the Meet window, typically near the meeting details or the share options. Send it to your participants using your usual method, like calendar invites or chat. It's a good practice to let everyone know the meeting will be transcribed so they're informed and comfortable. Now, click Copy Link in Google Meet to put the meeting URL on your clipboard. You'll use this exact link in Otter, so make sure it's the full meeting URL. If you ever change the meeting or create a new one, repeat this copy step so you always have the correct link. With the link copied, go to otter.ai in your browser. At the top right, click the video icon. This opens the area where Otter can join and transcribe a live meeting. If you're asked to sign in, use your regular Otter account. Some features vary by plan, so ensure your account supports joining live meetings. Paste the Google Meet URL into the field that appears. This is the same link you copied from Meet. Double check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link, since that can prevent Otter from joining correctly. Finally, click Enter. Otter will process the link and join your meeting to begin live transcription. Keep your browser tabs open and avoid muting Otter's participant within the meeting so the transcript can capture everything that's said. If the meeting has a lobby or requires the host to admit participants, be ready to allow Otter to join. Once connected, you'll see the transcription start to populate in Otter in near real time. That's it. You've connected Google Meet with Otter for live searchable notes. Remember to speak clearly, minimize background noise, and let participants know they're being transcribed. When the meeting wraps up, your transcript will be waiting in Otter for review and sharing.